Today, I'll show you how to add another account in Google Meet so you can easily switch between work, school, or personal profiles without constantly signing in and out. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll be able to move between accounts with just a couple of clicks. First, open Google Meet. You can do this in a few ways. The most common is to open your web browser and go to the Google Meet website. You can also get there from other Google apps like Gmail or Google Calendar by clicking the Meet icon or a Join with Google Meet link. However you get there, make sure you're on the main Google Meet page where you can start or join a meeting. Once Google Meet is open, look for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle in the top right corner of the screen. It might show your photo if you've added one, or it might just show your initials on a colored background. This icon represents the account you're currently signed in with. Click on that profile icon. A small menu will drop down showing the current account details along with some options related to your Google profile. In this menu, you should see an option to add another account. It might say something like add another account under your existing account information. Click on the add another account option. When you do this, a new sign-in window will appear. Here you'll be prompted to enter the email address for the second Google account you want to use with Google Meet. Type in the email address carefully, making sure there are no typos, and then continue to the next step. After you enter the email, you'll be asked for the password associated with that account. Go ahead and enter the password. If you have two-step verification turned on, you may be asked to confirm your identity with a code or a prompt on another device. Just follow the on-screen instructions until the sign-in process is complete. Once you've successfully signed in, Google Meet will now have both accounts available. To switch between them, you'll again use that same profile icon in the top right corner. Click on the icon, and now, instead of seeing just one account, you should see a list of all the Google accounts you've added. Whenever you need to change accounts, simply click the profile icon, look through the list, and select the account you want to use. The page will refresh under that account, and any meetings you join or create will be associated with the active profile. This is especially helpful if you attend work meetings on one account and personal or school meetings on another. If you run into any issues, double check that you're entering the correct email and password, and make sure that the account you're trying to add is a valid Google account. Also remember that each browser profile keeps its own set of accounts. So if things look different, you might be in a different browser or browser profile. And that's it. You've learned how to open Google Meet, access your profile icon, add another account, sign in with that account's email and password, and then switch between accounts whenever you need to.